Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jasmeet Singh and I'll be your instructor for Chem 9. First of all, I would like to welcome you and I hope you had a nice and relaxing break. Now for many of you, this may be your first experience with any online course. Online courses require different set of skills than what you may have previously learned. In order to be successful in any online course, you need three basic skills. First, you need to be good at reading and writing. This course will require a lot of reading. You will need to read the chapter. You will be required to watch the lecture videos and take all the assignments. So you need to be good at reading and writing. Secondly, you need to be good at computers. You need to have a PC or any other computer, as well as you need a good internet access. And third, and the most important skill is self-motivation and discipline. In any online course, not only you are totally in charge, but you are also responsible to maintain a regular study schedule. There is a common misconception that online courses are easier than face-to-face classes. We are going to follow same course material and we are going to hold same standard of excellence. So I do not believe that this class will be any more easier than face-to-face classes. If some of you are feeling anxious, I would like you to know that we are in this together. I will make sure that all the resources needed to be successful are available to all of you. We will try to create an environment similar to face-to-face class by having regular discussion sessions. I will hold regular virtual office hours and all of you are highly encouraged to join. Please bring all your problems related to this course during my office hours and I will try my best to help you out. Now let me show you our Chem 9 Canvas course. When you log into your Canvas account, you will be greeted by this home page. On the top of our home page, you will see the most recent announcement. Right now, there is only one announcement, but as we progress in this semester, more announcements will be made and they will show up here. Not all announcements will be here, only the recent 2 or 3 announcements will show up here. If you want to access the older announcements, you can click on the announcement tab on the left hand side. You can come back to this home page by clicking home. Every time you click home, you will go back to this home page. On the right hand side, you will see your to-do list. This to-do list will show you all upcoming announcements. Usually it shows you all the announcements for the week. The submission time as well as the dates are present here. You can complete these assignments and then submit it by clicking here, or you can access these assignments through modules. I will talk more about modules in a little while. So for now, just remember that you can also complete your assignments in the to-do list. If you scroll down, you will see my contact information. My preferred method to contact is by email, but there are 4 other kinds of methods by which you can communicate with me. All those methods are explained in my communication plan. I will hold regular office hours. The office hour times are listed here. These office hours will be held via Zoom. The office hour Zoom meeting link is here. You can click on this link and it will take you to my Zoom meeting. You will need a password to join the office hour Zoom meeting. The password to join this office hour meeting is chemistry. If you scroll down, you will see the welcome video, which is this current video. And further down is our first activity of this course. In this activity, I would like you to describe in one word what this course actually means to you or maybe your future. You may say this course is fun, or you may say this course is difficult. Whatever word comes to your mind, just contribute that word here. Now, how to contribute? All you need to do is click here and just write a word. Maybe it's fun. You may write more words also, up to 3, and then click submit. And if you go back, that word will appear here. After completing this activity, now we are ready to go and check various modules which contain all the resources and assignments for this course. You can access modules by clicking on this red play button, or you can scroll up and click on the module tab here. So what are modules? Modules are just folders under which various assignments and resources are present. Each week a new module will open, and each module is dedicated to a separate chapter. We will begin with module 0, which is a welcome module, and after module 0, module 1 will open, and module 1 has all the assignments and resources for chapter 1. You can scroll down to go to module 1, and after module 1, module 2 will open, and so on. If you notice, on the right hand side of this module, you will see a notification that says complete all items. This means that all the information given within this module must be completed in order to move on to the next module. Unless you finish all the assignments or whatever is given under the current module, you will not be able to move on to the next one. You will also notice a tiny arrow next to this module 0 sign. This arrow can be used to minimize the module. For example, right now the arrow is pointing down and module is open. If you click on it once, it will close the module. If you want to open it again, just click on it again and it will open, and you will be able to see all the material within this module. If we scroll down and go to module 1, you will see that this module is grayed out, and even if you click on any of these links, you will not be able to open them. Now this means that this module is not available right now. There could be 2 reasons. One reason is that you haven't finished the prerequisite. For example, prerequisite for module 1 is to finish module 0 first. The other reason could be that it's not the opening time yet. For example, module 1 is scheduled to be open on Monday. Now, how do we complete all the items within module 1? Next to each of these links or items within the module, you'll see a condition. For example, the condition for this first item is to view. So that means in order to complete it, we just need to open it and view it. Also, you will notice that there is an empty circle on the right hand side. Let's see what happens when we open it and view this document. So now this document is open. Now view doesn't mean that you just open and view it. View means that you should read it and understand the information given in it. So after you have read everything, let's go back to module. And now if you notice on the right hand side, instead of a empty circle, there is a green check mark. Green check mark means that you have satisfied the condition, you have already viewed this document. Similarly, do the same for remaining documents. So under this module, I have provided some important information about the course and how to be successful in online course, some tutorials, some helpful technical tips and tricks for students. So I highly encourage you to read all these documents. In some documents, you'll see a condition called mark done. How do we mark this document done? So for that, let's open it again. So in this document, there is some task. For example, you need to update your Canvas profile picture and some other information. The links are there. Just click on the links and do as prompted. And once you have finished all the requirements of this page, scroll down all the way at the bottom right side. You'll see a box with the empty circle called mark it as done. So click on this box, and now it is showing in a green box that it has been done. Once you mark it done, now if you go back and click on modules, you will see a green check mark next to this document. So now we have finished these two documents. Similarly, you are required to view or mark done the remaining links or documents. And once you finish all of these tasks, you will see this red circle will turn green, which signifies that you have finished module 0. One of the most important documents which I would like you to thoroughly read is our course syllabus. I have provided the syllabus as a PDF file which you can access by clicking on this link. You can also access the syllabus by clicking on the syllabus tab on the left hand side. In both of these places you will find a PDF file of our syllabus, which I highly recommend to download and print it for your reference. I have also provided syllabus as Canvas pages. You can access Canvas pages or syllabus under syllabus module. This is a more reader friendly or online version of syllabus. You will find it easier to find information in these pages. Let's open the syllabus. I'm going to open it in a new tab. You can find the syllabus PDF file in this link. In the syllabus, you'll find information about our course, about your instructor, as well as the required text and resources. Another important information is about the structure of our assignments, what percentage grade comes from what kind of assignments, as well as the important dates for a course. Another important thing I would like you to check is the schedule for lecture, quizzes and exams, and labs. All the open and close dates are given here. I will also periodically post these due dates in to-do list, as well as I will send reminders every week. All course related policies are also given in the syllabus. I highly recommend you to read in the beginning, as well as some helpful resources. Links to helpful resources are also provided. Please check for your reference. Let's go back to modules. Once you review the syllabus, the next task is to take the syllabus quiz. These are free 10 points. There are unlimited attempts available. I highly encourage you to take as many attempts as you need and score full 100% in this quiz. This next link will provide you the information about course textbook and material. Let's open this. We will need the essentials of general organic and biochemistry plus Achieve combo. Achieve is a online homework platform, and this combo at our bookstore cost $44.28. You can walk to the campus bookstore and purchase this textbook and Achieve bundle, or you can click on this link which will take you to college campus bookstore link, and you can make a purchase there as well. Keep in mind that if you purchase it online, then opt for curbside pickup, because shipping may take unnecessary time and you may miss some of our coursework if there is a delay. Apart from the textbook and Achieve bundle, we will also need online lab program subscription. The name of this platform is LabFlow. This subscription cost $44.44 at our campus bookstore. When you purchase this access code, it will come as a scratch card. You will need to scratch it to receive a 16-digit access code which can be redeemed when you register for this program. Both the Achieve homework platform and LabFlow lab platform provide 2 weeks of free access, so you don't need to purchase them on day one. You are okay to submit first 2 weeks of assignments without purchasing them. Once you have purchased the access code, or you are ready to create your free 2-week trial accounts on LabFlow and Achieve, you will need to register for both Achieve and LabFlow before you are able to submit any assignment. The registration process is really simple. Scroll down module 0 and first find information about Achieve. Right underneath this you will find a student registration link for Achieve platform. All you need to do is open this link and click here and then follow the prompts. Because my account is not a student account, it's not showing me the registration page, but if you do it, it will show you a registration page, and you just follow the prompts and complete the registration process. I would recommend using your Chaffey email. Otherwise, the grade transfer process from these platforms to Canvas Gradebook may find some issues. Once you finish your registration, you will find 2 buttons here. One will say redeem the access code. That's where you will input your access code which you have purchased from the campus bookstore. If you do not have a access code yet and you want to activate your free trial period for 2 weeks, you will find another button where it may say something like free access or complimentary access or some similar wording. Click on that and it will activate your 2 weeks of trial period. Once you do that, your Achieve homework platform gets connected to Canvas, and after that you do not need to do this process ever again. You will not even need to sign in future also. It will automatically sign you up, and every week when you are ready to submit your assignment, you just click on the link given in Canvas and it will open the assignment for you and you just submit it. Let's go back to Canvas. Similar to Achieve registration, you will find another link under LabFlow, and this link which says LabFlow registration will take you to LabFlow registration page, and again process similar. Click here, it will open the LabFlow registration page. I cannot show you because my account is not a student account, but when you open it, you will find a registration page. Just follow the prompts, give your campus Chaffey email, and if you already have the access code, input the access code. If you do not have it, then select pay later option or free trial access option, and you will get 2 weeks of free trial period. One thing you will notice about LabFlow registration is that it will ask you enrollment code. Achieve will not ask for an enrollment code, but LabFlow will ask for enrollment code. Enrollment code is different from access code. Access code is your payment receipt that you have paid this much amount. Enrollment code is LabFlow wants to know in which section are you enrolling at Chaffey College. So enrollment code is same as your section number. If you do not know your section number, you can go to your My Chaffey portal, and right next to your Chem 9 it will show a 5-digit number. So that's the section number you are enrolled in. If you do not know, you can email it to me. I will give you your section number. Remember, the enrollment code is same as your class section number. When you create your account at Achieve or at LabFlow, never go to those websites directly and create your account, because if you do so, then LabFlow and Achieve will not know where to send your grades. Hence, you do need to click on these links, LabFlow registration link as well as Achieve registration link, to initiate your registration process. Once you do that, only then there will be a successful integration of your Achieve and LabFlow account to your Canvas. Once you complete your registration at Achieve, start with taking these 2 practice assignments. One of them is orientation assignment, the other one is a practice assignment. These 2 assignments will show you how to use the online homework platform. There is no similar assignment in LabFlow. LabFlow is pretty straightforward, so you will figure it out once you start with our first lab. Apart from homework and lab assignments, we'll also have discussion assignments every week. We'll use a platform called Harmonize, a discussion platform for these kind of assignments. No registration is required for Harmonize. It's already integrated within Canvas. You just need to open this link and submit your assignment. I will post a separate video about how to post this group discussion assignment. One final activity you will need to complete in this module 0 is this Padlet activity. This is a fun activity which shows where everyone is from. You will see a map. Right now is showing Chaffey College. In the bottom right corner you will see a plus sign, so click on that plus sign, and wherever you are located you can enter that place. For example, I am in Riverside, so I can enter Riverside, or I can also enter the place of my birth. I was born in India in a city called Amritsar. So if you enter here, it will show you the location. You can upload your picture and then click publish, and it will publish that location for you. So once you complete this activity, please click here, mark done, and be considered done. And now we are ready to go to module 1. Once you complete all the requirements of module 0, module 1 will become available to you, and it will no longer be grayed out. As I explained earlier, module 1 is dedicated to chapter 1. Next week, module 2, which is dedicated to chapter 2, will open, and following week, module 3 for chapter 3 will open. Each week, a new module for new chapter will open. All modules have similar structure. In the beginning of module, you will find a to-do list. You can open this to-do list and it will show you the due dates of all the assignments as well as the objective of the chapter. For each week, we will have 3 kinds of assignments due. The first one will be weekly discussion. The discussion posts will be made on a platform called Harmonize. You do not need to create any account for Harmonize. It's inbuilt in Canvas. You just enter your post in that platform. I will make a separate video for instructions regarding how to make a discussion post in that platform. Apart from the weekly discussion, we will also have the homework assignment. Homework assignment will open on Mondays and they will be due on following Sunday. Lab assignment will also be due on Sunday, and we will also take end of chapter quiz, which will also be due on Sunday. Each module is set up in similar way. In the beginning, you will find to-do list. Then you will find the resources such as the PowerPoint and the core concepts, followed by lecture videos. I highly encourage you to watch the videos before taking any assignment, and a discussion. In module 1, there is no separate discussion because module 1 or week 1 discussion is given in module 0. So you will find a link for weekly discussion in module 0. After discussion, you will find link for worksheets. I highly recommend you to try the worksheet. Worksheets will not be graded. These are for practice purposes only, and answer keys already provided. Please do not check the answer keys before attempting to solve the worksheet. You will find the link to homework homework assignments here. There are 2 kinds of homework assignments. The regular homework and something called adaptive quiz. Even though it's called adaptive quiz, it's not a quiz, it's just a homework assignment. The links are here. I would also like to clarify that once you create account on homework platform called Achieve and LabFlow platform called LabFlow, you do not need to go there to submit your assignments. All you need to do is click on these links. They will open the appropriate assignment, and you can submit assignments here. At the end, you will find the end of the chapter quiz. Right now, the quiz is not available. It will become available on Friday. It will open on Friday and it will be due on Sunday. Next week, you will get access to chapter 2 and so on. Once you submit an assignment, your grade will be automatically transferred to the gradebook, which you can access by clicking on this tab here. Sometimes few assignments need manual grading. In that case, grade transfer may take few days. Also, the grades generally get transferred after the due date is up. For example, if you submit your homework on Friday and it's due on Sunday, your grade may not get transferred until Sunday. So please wait until the due date is up before checking your grade. If you find any error or any issue with the grade, please inform me as soon as possible. I will resolve the issue quickly. So this was the demo of our course. Hopefully I was able to provide all the information needed to succeed in this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye bye.